Cub Cadet LGT1054 Hydrostatic Transmission Rebuild. Transmission is beginning to slip and will not go up a hill. Do they have a repair kit?
What is the model number from under the seat?
13WK92AK009.
That is a HydroGear pump. There is technically no rebuild kit for it, but once you find the issue with it, parts can be ordered for repair. Do you need a diagram of the pump with pics and part numbers for more info? Have you checked that the relief valve is engaging fully? Make sure it is fully pushed in, as transmission will be sluggish if not.
Please send me the diagram and pics and part numbers. Thank you. It engaging fully.
http://www.parts3.com/parts/cub cadet/mowers lawn garden tractor/LGT1054 13WK92AK009 13WK92AK010 13AK92AK009 Cub Cadet Lawn Tractor 2012/Hydrostatic Transmission HydroGear 320-0610/copy and paste the above link.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.